The Cofl set command allows you to change your settings in-game. If you don't pass any settings key to it, it will show you all available settings, or rather the first page of them. You can either specify the page number or click on the first line of the response. The response features the settings key, an alternative version of the settings key, usually a shorter one, and an explanation. The most commonly used setting is probably min profit. For min profit, you can either specify a whole number or you can use either K or M to abbreviate the number. In case you mistype a settings key, you get a suggestion of the closest matching name. Another commonly used setting is the finders. These are the flip finders. For more details about how exactly they function and what they do, see the according video. This is how you would specify all the currently available finders. In case you don't want to use one or more of them, omit them in this list. You can switch between using short numbers or the long versions where all the digits are written out by writing this command. Because SN is the short version for short numbers and this is a Boolean setting, we can change it like this and it will inherit that you want to toggle the setting. Optionally, you can also directly set it to false or execute it again to toggle it back on.